How to change password in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. For that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, you have to navigate to your Start option. Once you are on your Start option, just search for the Control panel here. So here on your Control panel, once you are on your Control panel, you have to just go for the Category option. Once you are on your Category option, just go for the User account. And here on your user account, here all you have to just go for your user account again. And after that, here you can see the make changes to my account in PC setting. Just go for that. And once you are on your PC setting here, you can see your info. So on the left hand corner screen, you can see the sign in option. Let's go for that. And here you can see that manage how you can sign into your device. So you have to just go for your fingerprint, PIN or security key. So you have to just go for that and just go for the change option. Once you are here, you have to write your PIN and just go for the new PIN here and just go for the confirm PIN. After that, you have to tap on the OK option. So here you can see that I have successfully changed my PIN or passcode in my laptop here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.